Uba Prestun Tinsong, where you sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala, Ulathea Ting Yaga Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, Meghalaya, Kabrega Singh Sain Birthday, by Trailang Haga Sorkar, Meghalaya Democratic Alliance, Dagabaula Ong, Palada Kamhun, Kala Bakan Mino, Naga Sorkar. Uba Tinsong La Yaiban, Dagabaong, Ka BJP, Lala Kamhun, Bandon Haga Sorkar, Kalong Kabalai Lui, Ban Mino, Namar, Kabamla, Ban Shukanto, Kat Bamon Yaka Sorkar. Henry, Hagajogopor, Kakwa Bandon, near Trailang Pat, but Kasorkar MDA. But Kajingdawa Ban Tung Toket CBI, Haman Lakikam, Kabamla Ban Long. Ulaong, Bakasorkar Kamkwa, Ban Buri AA, Namar, Nadu Kabasdang, Ban Tau Yaka Sorkar Sunrop MDA. Kajingtmu Kalong Bait Ban Persha, Yakinukinu Kikambean, Dagaba Ban Rapru, Pakai MDA, Kadon Yaka Coordination Committee, Hakaba, President, but we Wemily Kidekidkot. Hakaba, Labu Jingaliru, Balegi BJP, Kamra Haga Committee, Haba Kalap, Yakinuginu, Gijimbakla. Uba Preston Ulong, Bagasorkar, Kaklam Kabrip Satya, Halor Kikambean, but Kajinkano Joga BJP, Kalonga Bakyabha, Nakamtaka Sorkar, Namaria Gijinkano, La Shio E Tang Hakilat Patai Kubor, Clem the Don Kijing Pinchisha, Lingba Kikot Kisla. Hakabe Day, but Kajinkano, Bagadon Kijing Bamsap, Haki Art Liki Council, Kata, Hapo Jandy Hills Autonomous District Council, but Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, Uba Prestun Ulong, Bagasorkar Kalatung, Yakakun Hun Tokit Bnya, Yakajing Kanjing Dia, Nega Team of Audit, Balakli, Daga Directorate of Accounts and Treasuries, but Kaniga Committee, Kan Pinchisha, Ya Baro Kijinkano, Balami, Naga BJP. Hagajokopor, Ba Prestun Ulong, Palada Don Kino Kino, Kibalap, Yakijing Bakla, Nekano, Kila Banra, Shaka Sorkar, Renkat Kikot Kisla, but Kijinkang Jonga Sorkar, Kapli, Boro Arsagunta.
Well, I don't know whether they have hidden or not hidden agenda that you can ask from them. But my only concern is this. See, if you are not comfortable, because you are also part of the government, you are free to leave. If you are not comfortable, I think you are free to leave the MDA government. I think that is the best way to do. Don't keep criticizing at the same time you want to work in the MDA. See, what is this here? You get my point? Naman ngiladon from day one bangi tao ya ke MDA government, from day one itself ki donru ka coordination committee. Tenga ongi pi ka leadership jong ka BJP, state unit BJP. Kiro kilong member angta. Hakaba u president, but uwe na ki MLA ki de ki member jong kata coordination committee. Haba pidon kum giti ki judge issue balai pemanra. Bangini discuss, begini keren. Nga try de kata ka point. Nga ngamut ban ong ba ngin buri no. Handai balai pemanra ka coordination ngini keren. Tenlai karukom lej jongki kamdei haka lenti ka badai. Te abang keren ni kata kamut ban ong bangi kwa ban buri. Yakino ki issues. Handai lada piwan haka lenti ka badai begini keren. Nang ta jointly ro nakaliang government rengkat bat kitu ki concern party we walk out ngong pi namar borok ini ki party ki partners jongi kebadan KMD we are against illegal, as I said to you, any illegal activities. We are against it. Even BJP state leadership, I saw CBI, anything CBI. I mean, it's so easy to just talk about CBI. But, you know, as I said to you, due process has to be followed. Not just because Tom, Dick and Harry says, hey, this case should be given to CBI. But ultimately nothing. And for your information, just recently Supreme Court has given the order. No CBI. The case of Mrs. Agnes and all. So Supreme Court has given order. Not required for the CBI investigation. Kawai pat kabenta kabagi discuss nakaliang jong ka government hadin bang yo ya ki babun kini ki statement ki bawan khamtam nakaliang ka state BJP unit ki ba yai kren ki ba keno ba ka sarkar kamle AA ha ka biya day but ka jing misuse ya ka funds hakini ki dis council kawai hapo Garu Hills kawai ha Jaintia Hills ban ngai i dang khandiat sngi ki ong mengi apru ya ka report na kabita jong ka Khasi Hills district council nang tabat ki wei ki allocation ke baki ong baka sarkar i kum baka khabrip hakabidai bat ki illegal movement of coal trucks so on and so forth dengan kwa ban pensyah yang ni bangi naga government nadu kasngi ka benengkong ke ngishim ti ya ka sarkar ka agenda jongi ka benengkong ka longba ngilong persya ya ki illegalities lani yakinu ki kam ki balong bian lani ki balong palat ya uput usam jong ka an ka kanun jong ke jelame kala jongi tenakar kadaw kwa banong bah ka jingi kren ke jingi mentaka janmit ngishim ba kanika allocation kalong serious namar balai ba phikle morna ikikot kisla ka kata ka allocation jo pi ngiyo itang po media bat ngi kwa bakin dawarra ya kita kikot kisla ban pensisya la kadon sisya ne kum kata te hakabidei bat kenika dis council ko maupi ngatrai platip baka sarkar klabu ya ka team of audit hakaba lahet ya kani da ka directorate of accounts and treasuries ya kani ngladep notify hakaba kanika kanika committee kan take up but verify ya kiniki allocation ki bami janman kasngi te kata ketika banga kwa ban ong yapi bat ka banga kerpat kolong ba ya baro lada pi ong ki parti lane pi ong ki seng lane pi ong ki reusimet kino habadon kino ki allocation sngaw ba ka sarkar ka jingkhang ka sarkar ka play ar phuso ganta kila banwan ai yaki kot kisla khnang ba ultimately ngila ya kaban shim ya ka steps ban wat bnia ya ki bakum kita ki jajing keno nang ni syakmat kata kadeka wepat ka agenda ka points ka bangingi ya slok ka mengi kren ka bengi ya pleu jingmut na kaliang jong ka sarkar